I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you a question from IIT Joint Entrance Examination. The question here is, let alpha and beta be any two positive values of x for which 2 cos x, absolute value of cos x, and 1 minus 3 cos square x are in geometric progression. The minimum value of absolute value of alpha minus beta is what? 4 options are given to you. You can always pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. Now here, if we give you 3 numbers in geometric progression, it means what? Let us say the numbers are A, B, and C, and these numbers are in geometric progression. It implies that B square is equal to product of A and C, right? That's what it means. So we'll apply this and then solve. So we know 2 cos x, absolute value of cos x, and 1 minus 3 cos square x are in geometric progression. Therefore, we could write that absolute value of cos x whole square should be equal to product of the other two, which is 2 cos x times 1 minus 3 cos square x. So that is how you have to answer this question. Now, absolute value is already positive, and the positive will be squared, so it will remain positive. We could write this as cos square x equals 2. Let's open this bracket. So we get 2 cos x minus 6 cos square x. Now we can bring all the terms together to one side and then solve, right? So we have, we can bring it to the left side. So we have cos square x plus 6 cos square x minus 2 cos x equals to 0. Now, sorry, this should be cos cube x, right? Sorry. So when you multiply 2 cos x with cos square x, you get cos cube x. Okay, now we can take cos x common. And what you get, I'll write this term first, which is 6 cos square x, and then we'll have plus cos x minus 2 equals to 0. Now this can be further factored. Product of 12, sum of 1, 4 and 3 will work, right? So we get 6 cos square x plus 4 cos x minus 3 cos x minus 2 equals to 0, which we can write as cos x times, we can take 2 cos x common, 2 cos x, we get 3 cos x plus 2 minus common 3 cos x plus 2 equals to 0. Now 3 cos x plus 2 is common, so we could write this as cos x times 3 cos x plus 2 times 2 cos x minus 1 equals to 0. So we have 3 factors here. Now to get 0, what could be the possible values of x? We also know that alpha and beta be any two positive values of x for which this is true. Cos x is 0 for x equals to pi by 2, correct? As far as 3 cos x plus 2 is concerned, we want cos x to be equal to minus 2 over 3. And for the last one, we want cos x to be equal to half. Now cos x is equal to half at x equals 2. You can use the special triangles, pi by 3, right? Now that will be a radical value which we could calculate using the calculator. So we'll convert this to radians 4, and we can find the related acute angle and then the 180 minus that, right? So let's find the related acute angle. So we get shift cos inverse 2 divided by 3 equals 2. We get 0.84, and that is for positive value. For the negative value, it'll be pi minus this, right? So shift pi minus the answer equals to 2.3. So here we get x is equals to 2.3 radians, right? So those are the values which we get for possible values of alpha and beta. What are we interested in finding? We are interested in finding the minimum value of alpha minus beta, right? So if you look at it, what you have here is one solution which is pi by 2. So this is pi by 2 for you. The other one is pi by 3. Let's say this is pi by 3. And the third one, which is around 2.3 radians. So it is kind of like this, right? So clearly, this is 2.3 radius. The minimum difference between two values is this difference, correct? And therefore, we can calculate that value. So let's find alpha minus beta equals 2. So which is pi by 2 minus pi by 3. And that gives you 6 as common denominator, 3 pi minus 2 pi, or we get pi by 6. So option D is the correct option. Perfect. So that is how you could actually solve this particular question. I hope it makes sense. Feel free to write your comments and share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'll be great. Thanks for watching and all the best.